Surprise, surprise! Another sporting debate to be settled by the Maverick this evening. Which is more important in sports, technical skills and talent, or physical fitness? And don't get it twisted. We all know that physical fitness enhances technical skills. That is not in question. The question is, which one is more important, fitness or talent? To me, it's a non-argument. A player with talent and no fitness can train and get fit in a matter of weeks, while a player with 100% fitness and no talent cannot train or practice to get that talent even in 30 years. Everything starts and stops with technical skills and talent. Lionel Messi could be as fit as 50 Fiddle. If he never had good balance, dribbling, passing and shooting skills, he would be an ordinary footballer. Probably could not even make a Manning Cup team. Brian Lara could have fit like 50 Jackie Chan Ninja. If he never had grace, timing and exquisite batting skills, he too would be an ordinary batsman who probably could not make Trinidad team, much as the West Indies team. LeBron James is the best basketballer in the world, not because of his physical fitness, but because he can score, pass, and defend better than any other player in the world. Usain Bolt is the fastest man ever, not because of his fitness, but because his skill set and talent enable him to run faster than everybody else. One more. You want to hear one more? The Maverick is the greatest, not because of my physical fitness, but because of my superior level of technical expressiveness and my analytical explosiveness. You want to hear one more?